Welcome to my channel. Updating the basic input-output system on your computer is one of the most important maintenance tasks you can perform, and in this video, you will learn how to carry out this process safely, confidently, and correctly. The basic input-output system controls how your hardware communicates with your operating system, and updating it can improve performance, hardware compatibility, and system stability. Before going into the practical steps, it is important to understand the significance of this process, because a BIOS update is not like a normal software update and must be approached with care to avoid system failure. Many users hesitate because the process feels technical, but this full guide will walk you through everything in a simple and easy way so you can proceed with clarity. The first thing you need to understand is that each computer manufacturer builds its own version of the BIOS, and this means the update process depends heavily on the brand of your system. Some manufacturers provide dedicated update utilities that run directly from inside Windows, while others require you to create a bootable flash drive and load the update during system startup. Whichever method applies to your specific computer, the underlying principle is the same, which is ensuring that the basic input-output system files are safely replaced without interruption. A smooth update begins with identifying your motherboard model, your BIOS version, and the correct vendor website where the update file is available. These details help prevent mistakes such as installing the wrong update, which can cause serious issues to the system. To identify your current BIOS version, you can restart your computer and enter the BIOS menu using the key your manufacturer designates, which is often displayed briefly during startup. Once inside, look for System Information or Firmware Information, where your current version will be listed. Alternatively, within your operating system, you can access system information through the built-in tools and locate the BIOS version there. After identifying the version, visit the official manufacturer website and navigate to the Support or Downloads section to find the exact update designed for your specific motherboard model. Never download a BIOS update from unofficial websites, as this can put your system at great risk. Matching the model number and version accurately is essential because even small discrepancies can lead to compatibility issues. Once you locate the correct update, download the file and read any accompanying instructions carefully, because manufacturers sometimes include important warnings or steps required before the update. Some updates require your computer to remain connected to a stable power source to avoid shutdown during the process, while others may require you to disable certain system settings temporarily. It is a good idea to close all applications and ensure your system is running normally before initiating the update. Many systems now support simplified update tools provided by the manufacturer, which allow you to run the update with a few clicks inside your operating system. If your system requires creating a bootable flash drive, the instructions will guide you in formatting the drive and transferring the necessary files. At this stage, if this video is interesting, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated, turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video, and engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. During the update process, it is crucial that you do not interrupt the system in any way, because interrupting a BIOS update can corrupt the firmware and prevent the computer from starting. The update usually takes a few minutes, and you will see progress indicators on the screen. Your system may restart multiple times, and this is normal, so allow it to continue without pressing any keys or powering off the computer. Some systems will automatically reboot back into the operating system once the update completes, while others may bring you back to the BIOS menu to reconfigure certain settings. If that happens, simply follow the instructions on the screen or confirm the settings as they were before. After your system successfully restarts, you can enter the BIOS menu again to confirm that the new version has been installed. It is also a good idea to check your system information inside your operating system to verify that everything updated correctly. If your update includes performance improvements or hardware compatibility upgrades, you may start noticing smoother system behavior, improved boot time, or better support for new devices. If your update was specifically intended to fix bugs, stability problems, or security issues, you should now experience fewer errors or system crashes. Although BIOS updates are less frequent than software updates, it is important to apply them when necessary, especially when adding new hardware such as processors or memory modules that require updated firmware support. To help your system run optimally, it is also helpful to occasionally check your manufacturer support website for new updates, especially if you use your computer for high-performance tasks like gaming, video editing, or advanced computing. Always read the release notes provided with each update so that you understand what the update is meant to fix or improve, because not every update is essential for every user. If your system is running smoothly and does not require additional hardware compatibility, you might not need to update frequently. However, when a critical update is released to fix security vulnerabilities, it is important to install it to protect your system from threats. Making informed decisions about BIOS updates ensures long-term system health and stable performance. If your update process involved using a bootable flash drive, remember to remove the drive after the update is finished, so your computer does not attempt to boot from it during the next startup. If everything works smoothly after rebooting, you can store the update file as a backup reference or delete it. It is also helpful to restart your computer a couple more times to ensure that all firmware changes have been applied correctly. If your manufacturer provides additional tools such as system diagnostics or firmware recovery tools, you may run those to confirm that your hardware is fully recognized. These extra steps provide reassurance that the update completed without errors and that your system is functioning at its best. In cases where a BIOS update fails or causes system instability, most modern computers include built-in recovery mechanisms. These recovery tools can restore the previous working firmware or attempt to reapply the update if corruption occurs. If you ever find yourself in such a situation, consult your manufacturer documentation for the recovery process. Keeping a flash drive with the proper recovery files can be extremely helpful if your system supports emergency recovery modes. While these issues are rare, knowing about the recovery options provides peace of mind when performing advanced maintenance tasks like updating your BIOS. Updating the BIOS is an essential part of managing your computer, and understanding each step helps you handle the process with confidence. By learning how to identify your BIOS version, find the correct update, follow the instructions carefully, and verify the results, you protect your system from errors and ensure maximum performance. Whether you are upgrading hardware, troubleshooting issues, or enhancing system security, knowing how to update the BIOS responsibly is a valuable skill. This video has equipped you with the knowledge necessary to carry out the process safely, and with this understanding, you can keep your computer stable, secure, and future-ready. Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Also, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Visit my channel to watch more helpful videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe now before visiting my channel to watch my other helpful videos.